We're prepping for countertops today. They're gonna be installed. Oh my God. How's that water taste?
I'm blowing, not sucking. I'm trying to get all the water out of the line so when I set this down, it doesn't drip a bunch.
Noodle's ready to help. Countertop day.
Big noodles. Breakfast and protect these counters. Don't help us come here, counter.
Quality control. What do you think, boy?
You need to inspect first.
What do you think, boy? Come here. This is gonna be the only time you're allowed to do this. Oh, the wiener's on the counter. Smudge?
Little paws on the countertop.
Hey, Seal. She looks so cute. Oh, that's gonna be an Instagram. So one thing we're working on this weekend is removing this window and all of its stuff, raising it to that line, putting in a new window.
5 countertops. It's nice to hang out. They installed some weird stuff on this window. Everything's weird here.
Hey. Oh, now we can see all the colors the house has been painted.
Yeah, it's great. I'm just, yeah, it's gonna be a fun install.
Do you need a chicken to help you?
I got chicken support.
Okay, good.
Yeah, there's no cheering me on.
Hi.
This is all that was holding it. This is all that was holding it up.
I'm glad I was putting so much crap on that ledge then.
I know.
Seems very sturdy.
No. Not sturdy.
Seems like an accident waiting to happen.
It's gonna look amazing.
It is, actually. The deck's gonna feel so much bigger.
Right, it will, yeah. You'll get another 12 inches.
Woo! When you only have 640 square feet, that extra foot really...
You're gonna get 2 whole square feet.
I like that we've chosen the warmest day possible to do this. Goodbye, window. Oh, Sean, should we make a glass laying box for the chickens with this? Oh my God, can you even imagine? Ladies, what do you think? Michelle Pond says, yeah. So this is what our house is made of. Wait, here, Sean, cover me. I have to go inside.
Oh God. Oh God. Look at that butt shot. Please be careful in there. Watch the countertops.
I'm inside now.
That's how I'm gonna get in. Yeah.
I think we should leave it like this.
You guys want to put a door on there? Yeah, let's just put another door right there. Put like some stairs.
Lucy, come here.
Hope you turn the heat off. I love you. Who's that puppy in the window?
She's such a good dog. She loves you so much. Lucy, you're going to be able to do this all the time now. We'll build you some little stairs to get you up onto the kitchen counter.
So relaxed.
What could go wrong?
She's like, oh, I can see outside.
Lucy, you've never had this view before.
Sounds and smells. to see.
Wow. Wow. We're gonna have so much more light in here without all the crap.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. Well, there's the opening. Still gotta cut this out too. Mm-hmm. Because it's you cut the drywall out roughly in the size of the opening, right? Or a little bit more. Well, so what I have to do is I actually have to frame up to about here. Mm-hmm. And then I have to cut up into this area and then extend the opening, the RO, a bit bigger, and then add a header up in here because there's actually nothing up here. So it's really structurally sound. For those of you that don't speak contractor, RO is a rough opening.
You're a rough opening!
And we're having shutter issues with our camera.
It's been living in a construction site for 9 months.
Peanut butter window time. Finally doing something.
Do you want me to put that over you?
I'm fine.
Okay.
Thank you.
I really like what Kit's done with the place.
Almost done. Bye.
You okay? Oh my god. Hurry up, Kit, before I murder him. Ooh, after this is in and like nobody has to hold it in place anymore, do you want an ice cream sandwich? Yay! Oh, gotta move the lights. That's cool.
A lot of air in here now.
Yes. That's perfect for when I burn dinner again. Like in an hour or so when I start cooking. Okay. You earned your ice cream sandwich cookies. So what we're doing right now is trying to understand where the hood is gonna go in relation to the shelves that are gonna be over here.
Yeah. So
And also Sean and I are yelling at each other and stressing Kit out. I'm just trying to lay it out in Photoshop.
Destroys the kitchen and then leaves it for me. Because they're
So,
every
okay.
time, like clockwork, I like know that I'm coming home to a destroyed house.
So, can we get back to task? Because the furnace was broken and we're doing this. Noodle's mad, he's shaking because mom and dad are yelling.
So you also have to contend with just pop filter.
Oh, we're putting another
because you
element.
Want to put something here or
Yeah.
here because it's going to be very, very cramped. 23, so you said to the top of the shelf?
Yeah. I haven't even had my coffee yet!
This is a great one.
Why can't they just be like a 3M stick on them? So I don't have to commit.
Yeah, I know. No shelves?
No, we need to have something there. Something needs to be there to balance.
Shelves hanging from the ceiling?
What? Am I in California yet? Oh my god.
That's enough.
Get me out of this house. So I was in LA when this beautiful thing went in. We're waiting for a gas line inspection, which is happening today. So excited. But yeah, so our incredible backsplash went in. I'm obsessed. It's just like, here, let me back it up. So, electrical boxes. So you round the corner and it's just like, bam, marble. So beautiful. Our hood is gonna go here, and then it's gonna be flanked with floating shelves, which is what these rods are for, and that's our pot filler. And then you round the corner, then the backsplash here went in. I think it looks incredible.